lovely people. How is your day going? Mine's doing great, per usual. When I get my Allure box, I don't know why I said it like that. This is the Allure, the February 2019. Now, this is like, it's been, I think this is like the third month that I haven't unboxed this because the past few months, I actually get it like the last day of the month. And I'm like, everybody knows what's in the box. So I didn't do it. But this month, I still got it late, but it's here. So I figured, why not unbox it? So let's begin. I got my little cutter thingamajiggy here. Let me know how your guys' day has been going. Mine is okay. All right. Oh, okay. So that's what she looks like. All right. So you get your pamphlets and you get this $25 gift thingamajiggy. Use code Allure25 at checkout. You want to screenshot that. And so as you guys know, it doesn't come in the box. It comes in a bag now, which is exciting. I think this black bag is absolutely gorgeous. I really do. Let me know in the comments below. Do you like these bags or do you like the regular where it's just put in the box? I think I like the bags. If I didn't tell you, this is $15 a month, but you do pay taxes now, so it's a little bit more. I think I pay like 16 something a month. All right, so these pamphlets tell you what everything is and what the full size price will be, and it always has this beautiful person on front. I would die for that skin right there. All right. So I'm just going to pull out the first thing that I see. So this is a sheet mask. This is a Flower Lab Essence mask in rose. This is from Mammode. I never heard of this company before, but I do like rose. And I do like sheet masks, so that's good. Let's see how much this puppy is. All right. Where you be, mask? Okay, so it would be $7. Is it just for one? That's $7? Where to buy it at us.mammode.com. So I guess one of these would be $7. Wow. All right, moving on. The next thing we got is from Model Company. This is a metallic eyeshadow trio right there. All right, and this is $15, and you enter Allure18 at checkout to receive 30% off your order at modelco.com. Oh, this is pretty. Okay, so that's what it looks like right there. All right. Oh, that's pretty. This is just something if you want to take to go. I like it. Let's do some swatches. Okay, so that's what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. So that's really pretty. I don't know how it would be on deeper skin, medium to darker, but it's pretty. All right, so let's move on. All right, the next thing I got is from Laritzi. This is a lip pencil. And what is the shade in? It is in Bear. All right, so let's see where that is. All right, this would be $18. I know Laritzi is an expensive brand. It's very popular in subscription boxes, and that's why I like subscription boxes, because if you've never heard of them before, I mean, I would never hear of some of these brands before. So this is like a nude color right there, which is great. This will go with that eyeshadow right there. That's really pretty, and they're very creamy. I do like these lip pencils. I don't know if I personally would pay, how much was it? $18, but I am glad that they are in the subscription boxes because I do like them. All right. The next thing we got is another thing from Mammode. I don't know if I'm Mammodi. I don't know if I'm saying that correct. This is Petal Spa Oil to Foam in Rose. So this must be a cleanser. So a lot of times I do like the oil to foam. Elf Cosmetics has a really nice one. All right. This would be $21 full size. Now, this is not full size. And let's see what it says. It says, my face never feels cleaner without any tightness than after one double cleanse. A popular K-beauty technique that involves using 2 face washes. I don't know how to say that. Mamadies? Let me know in the comments down below. Formula condenses the process into one step. It starts as an oil, and then with water, it transforms into a foam. It dissolves my foundation, mascara, and eyeliner quickly. I swear it looks like I hadn't worn makeup to begin with. And mind you, I wear a lot of makeup. The formula is spiked with damask rose oil, which gives the cleanser a delicate and elegant floral scent. So it's saying that you could just take your makeup off with this. You could use it two ways. You can use this kind of like to take your makeup off, or, oh Jesus, or you can use it, you know, like when you're done, if you just want to cleanse your face. So there we go. And I don't edit my videos. If I drop something, I drop it. I won't edit that out. All right, couple more things. This is a really good month. All right, so the next thing is from Wonder Beauty. A lot of subscriptions have Wonder Beauty. I have liked all of Wonder Beauty's products. We just get in our try box. We had some kind of like oil for your face. I love their lipsticks. They're very creamy. Their mascara is okay. It's not my favorite, but it's pretty good. But their foundation sticks, I love. I don't like foundation sticks, but I love them. That's $40 for a stick, so, but it's really, really good. All right, so this is a mascara, and this is $26. If you go to wonderbeauty.com, enter Allure WB at checkout, and you receive 20% off your oil order. So I'm not going to open this up because I have a lot of mascaras already open, so that is definitely exciting. There was a different type of mascara that we got from Wonder Beauty, so I haven't tried that one. All right, two more things. Okay, so we got this nice brush. Let's see what it says. All right, so this is a Moda Metallics eye brush. This is $4.99, and this is a soft, precise shading brush. Is the holy grail of eyeshadow brushes. It does so many different things really well. It makes any eyeshadow look the most vibrant. So one collage uses its pastels and brights, and it goes on and on. Okay, so let's open her up and see what it looks like, and then I'll tell you what I think I'll use it for. All right. I do like Moda brushes too. This is a really, I mean, I can't believe how good this is. This is really, really nice. And that's what it looks like. Now, what I would typically use it for is like right on my outer corner to kind of get like that triangle. That's what I use them for. Some people will use it for nose contour. I don't contour my nose, but this is really pretty, and I'm definitely excited to get that. All right, and last but not least, okay, I know exactly what this is. This is the Brow Gal. This is from Tanya Crooks, and this is like, you know, after you do your eyebrows, or even if you don't do your eyebrows, it looks like a mascara one, and you just kind of put it on your eyebrows. Which shade is this in? This is Brown Hair 02. So this will definitely, I believe that's what my other one is. And these are pretty expensive. So this is $22. This is definitely full size. You go to thebrowgal.com, enter Allure 19 at checkout, and you can receive 10% off your order. So let's recap what we got. So we got the bag right here, which is really pretty. We got the eyebrow thingamajiggy. We got the brush, which is really, really nice. We got this sheet mask, which I'm so excited to get. All right, we got the lip pencil, which is really nice. I really like Lourdes stuff. We got the Wonder Beauty mascara. And what else? Is that it? Oh, and then we got this oil to foam cleanser. So that's all for $15. I mean, Allure is really, really stepping it up. They're definitely like my top 3 subscription boxes that I definitely recommend. There are times that we get full-size things that are like $85. And I mean, I don't know how Allure does it, but I'm really excited. I will leave a link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. Now, at the end of my videos, what I usually do is I say what's on my face and what I think about it. So I am wearing my eyeshadow is the Suva Beauty, the Saffron palette we get in our Tribe Beauty Box. It comes with a mirror, and this is what it looks like right there. And I used almost all the shades except for these 2 right here. And so far, I really like it. It's not like a holy grail, you know. I don't think I would like pick this up like if I went to go traveling or put it in like my favorites, but I do like it. I'm glad that I got it. It's not a bad pot palette, but I have these colors already. And but I do like it, but I have better formula palettes, if that makes sense. But I'm glad that I have it. And then I am definitely wearing, I am wearing the Ofra lipsticks. We got this in BoxyCharm. This is in Havana Nights, and that's what I have on my lips. And then on top of it, so I thought it was a little dark, I have Celebrity Skin by Jeffree Star, just like on top. And I also want to tell you about this. So when Ulta was having a sale, I got this. This is regular $150, and I got it 50% off. So I got it for $75. Now it has the thing on. Let me take it off. And I really like it. I was not going to pay $150 for this. So I am wearing the bronzer right there, and then I am wearing the highlighter right here. And I do like it. I think for $75, it's definitely worth it. I just won't pay $150 for. So that's everything. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think of Allure? Do not forget, I still have a couple giveaways going on, so make sure you check them out. And that's everything. Please like this video. It really does help me out. Make sure you're subscribed so you can get on those giveaways and future giveaways. And make sure you hit that bell so you can get notified every time I upload, because YouTube is not giving out notifications. And leave a comment. Let me know what you think. All right, guys, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.